Hi there, I'm Yvonne to Celis, and I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to make some collagen iced coffee. I want to show you the procedure. I apologize in advance for the noise because this is going to be noisy when I use, if I can find what I did with this here, this is my Blendjet. I do like Blendjet still. I've had some bad experiences with Blendjet and I've gone through so many Blendjets. I think the trick is to not put as many ice cubes as I used to, so I'm not going to put as many ice cubes in this as I usually do. But I just want to show you the procedure for making a good iced coffee. I'm also going to be adding chocolate collagen to this. So I do not use instant coffee. I know a lot of people use instant coffee for this. I don't. I actually can't drink coffee. I wish I could. But unfortunately, for some reason that I do not know, I don't know what it is, coffee makes me sick. I can drink espresso and I can drink cappuccino, and that's about it. I wish I could drink regular coffee, but unfortunately, when I drink regular coffee, I get sick. It doesn't really take much for me to get sick, unfortunately, but that's one of the big ones. Coffee eventually will make me ill. And for some reason, espresso and cappuccino, I don't have a problem with, so I don't get it, but I'm just pouring the rest of this cappuccino in here. I'm not going to fill it up too high. I think right now it's up to about, I'm looking on the measurements on this, I think it's up to about 6 ounces maybe. So I'm going to add a little chocolate collagen. And the coffee I have is Stoke. It's cappuccino. It's already got milk in it and it's already pre-sweetened, just a little sweet. I'm not adding any sugar because this collagen that I'm adding has sugar in it already, so I definitely don't need to make it sweeter than it's already going to be. It's definitely, if it's not sweet enough, I can fix it. If it's too sweet, I can't. So I'm going to put 2 scoops of the collagen, and this is not a paid promotion, so I'm not showing the brand of the collagen I'm using. I don't know if the brand really matters. I like the brand that I'm using, but like I said, it's not a paid promotion. I'm just going to get some ice cubes. I'm not going to put as many ice cubes in as I used to. I used to put in like 4 or 5 ice cubes, and I think that might be what breaks them every single time. So I'm going to put in, I guess, 2 or 3, and hopefully that'll be plenty. I hope. We shall see. So now I have my ice cubes. I have everything ready to go. Put the lid on. Most important thing, the lid has, I can't try to remember what they call these. I think it's a bracket, this white thing. If this is not in the lid, when you go to use this, the drink goes everywhere. Again, this is not an ad for Blendjet. I've had many Blendjet blenders and I like them, but I don't love them. So, not an ad, but here we go. And that should be enough. Now I have a broken frozen slushy that I'm going to pour into a cup, but I don't know if you can see this. I'll actually pour it from this one into here. It's not thick enough because it doesn't have enough ice cubes. Again, if I put in any more ice cubes, I may break the blender, and I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to pour it in here and then drink it. Yeah, there's all the ice at the bottom. Some of the ice is still on the bottom. That's okay though, but now I've got my drink. So I've got my cappuccino slash collagen, my cappuccino collagen drink. And I guess that's it. I think it's chocolate collagen that I used. I may try this sometime with vanilla because I think that might actually be better. I'm not really wild about mocha coffee or mochachinos or anything like that, so it might actually be better with the vanilla. But I do like it with the chocolate too. So there you go. Hope you're able to see and hear that all. Take care. And I'm not standing in the right spot. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.